Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Simple Game Hosting. Simple Game Hosting provides a dedicated server environment for your game, allowing multiple players to connect and interact seamlessly. It's an excellent solution for independent developers or small communities looking for an accessible and cost-effective way to get their games online. We will cover everything from selecting a provider to maintaining your server, ensuring a smooth experience for your players. Let's dive in and get your game hosted. Choosing the right game hosting provider is a crucial first step. You'll want to compare options based on factors like server locations, which directly impact player latency. Look for providers offering competitive pricing, sufficient RAM, and generous bandwidth to support your player count. A user-friendly control panel and responsive customer support, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, are also incredibly valuable. Many providers offer a free trial period, often for 7 days, to test their services. Once you've selected a provider, setting up your game server is straightforward. First, log into your hosting control panel, which is typically web-based. Here, you'll find options to manage your server. Upload your game's core files and any custom maps or mods using the provided file manager or an FTP client. Next, configure essential server settings like the game mode, maximum player slots, and any administrative passwords. Remember to save your changes and restart the server for them to take effect. Effective server management ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone. Regularly monitor your server's performance, checking for lag or crashes, and keep an eye on player activity. It's vital to perform daily or weekly backups of your game world and configurations to prevent data loss. Always keep your game and server software updated to the latest versions for security and new features. Engaging with your player community, perhaps through a Discord server, can provide valuable feedback for improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.